Hey, it's Brian. I'm here with one of our newest distributors, Ryan from Seiler Sales, Greg, Cadillac Auto Detailing, and Chad, Northern Auto Spa here in Traverse City, Michigan. Joe from Rev Auto, done with our ceramic coating certification course. Ryan, what'd you think? How'd it go?
It was awesome, man. The way the BMW turned out, the way everyone was going, it was excellent.
Very impressed. Can't wait to get my hands on my first bottle and get it on a car.
Dude, it was fantastic. I learned so much. It's great. Honestly, it's going to be the best.
It was awesome. Loved every minute of it. A lot of good information. Great product. Can't wait to use it.
How many guys do we have today?
We had 5 total, so.
That was good. That was a good day.
I was saying,
Yeah, and everybody got a coating.
everyone got a coating and got a great course with you and a lot of good tips and ways to do it better than just, learning by themselves, and an excellent job
That's
to turn
awesome.
out good results.
Yeah. Well, we really appreciate it, Ryan. Thank you for everything.
Appreciate it.